artificial intelligence in the courtroom. Tonight, I'm talking to one defense attorney about how AI hallucinations are popping up as ABC Action News at 6 starts right now.
Your voices, your stories. Local news that matters to you. ABC Action News starts now.
We move next to the courtroom where AI is making headlines. A Birmingham judge is considering sanctions against attorneys who used ChatGPT to write 2 court filings, which included non-existent sources.
Yeah, the judge said across the country, courts have issued broad warnings about the use of artificial intelligence to generate legal filings because of the potential for inaccuracies. They're called AI hallucinations. And earlier this week, I had a conversation with defense attorney Jeremy Rosenthal about AI showing up in court. What is an AI hallucination? That doesn't sound like a good thing.
It's certainly not. It is when AI gives misleading or false or incomplete information. It can be triggered by a lack of resources. It can be triggered by the program, the algorithm not understanding things or misinterpreting patterns, or simply not understanding. Instead of telling you that it doesn't understand, or instead of telling you that it has incomplete information, sometimes it might guess, or it might guess incorrectly, or it might misinterpret something.
So artificial intelligence is like the rest of us. Sometimes it just makes stuff up because it doesn't want to look bad. It's crazy.
That's exactly right. That's exactly right. Yes. And when it comes to practicing law, unless or until artificial intelligence can master the art of passive aggressiveness, I think lawyers' jobs are safe.
So how widespread is this, or is this relatively uncommon?
If you look at the data, hallucinations or misunderstanding information is pretty prevalent. It can be, in some instances, depending on what you believe, up to 25% of the information that you get from AI. But we don't know what we don't know. So it's very possible that this is a lot more widespread, and it just makes it really incumbent on us, the professionals in the legal system, to fact check it and to make sure that what we're seeing is accurate.
Well, are people getting wrongly convicted based on AI just making stuff up?
It is misleading lawyers, and by extension, it would almost certainly have to mislead courts. Judges who use AI on their own to do their own research, or lawyers who unintentionally mislead judges, can lead to all sorts of wide-ranging issues and problems. Innocent people can get convicted. Guilty people can get set free. Contracts that should be held as valid are getting held as invalid, vice versa. Landlords, tenants, insurance companies, anybody in the legal system is in jeopardy of having a judge who doesn't understand the law because of an AI hallucination or an AI misinterpretation.
I mean, is there any kind of technology out there that can spot the artificial in artificial intelligence?
It's the real intelligence. It's the humans. It's the judges. It's the lawyers. And what we have to have happen is we have to have people who have to do the hard work. You can't let AI do everything for you. AI doesn't understand a lot of the nuances of case law. That's part of the problem, is that case law can be very complicated. What's called writ history can be very complicated. What courts have chimed in? Has a case been overturned? These are questions that AI simply doesn't get right frequently enough for us to rely on it.
Wow. So fascinating and a little bit terrifying at the same time. Jeremy Rosenthal, as always, thank you for your insight. Appreciate it.